Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name Arif Noor bin Abu Qasim. ID number 9406031157050001 from course OUMH 1301 English for Oral Communication. Title I want to present today: Malaysia, a true multicultural nation. It's an honor to stand before you to talk about something that made Malaysia truly special in multicultural identities. Malaysia is home various ethnic groups, including Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous communities, each with their own language, custom, tradition. Despite our divine, we have built a nation that thrives on diversity, proving that unity is possible in multicultural society. This diversity is reflected in every aspect of our life, from the way we celebrate festival to the food we enjoy. More important, it has shaped Malaysia into peaceful, harmonious country where the respect, understanding a key value. Today I will discuss 5 aspects that highlight Malaysia multiculturalism, our diverse ethnic group, festival, language, food, and the strong spirit of tolerance that unite us all. Diversity of race and ethnic group. Malaysia is melting pot of culture with the 3 largest groups being Malay, Chinese, and Indian. The Malay would the majority follow the Islamic tradition and have a significant influence in nation culture and governance. The Chinese community, known for their contributions to business and trade, has also rich tradition such as lion dance and tea ceremonies. The Indian community, primarily of Tamil descent, has enriched Malaysia with a deep-rooted heritage, including classic dance, colourful festival, and delicious cuisine. Besides these 3 groups, Malaysia also home to indigenous communities such as orang asli in Peninsular Malaysia and the Dayak, Kadazan Dusun, and Bajau in Sabah dan Sarawak. This community have a unique language, custom, and lifestyle that further enrich Malaysia culture landscape. The beauty of our nation lies in how their different groups live side by side, sharing and appreciating each other's tradition while maintaining their own identities. Second aspect, multicultural festival and celebration. One of the best ways to witness Malaysia diversity is through our festival. Hari Raya Aidilfitri, celebrated by Muslim, mark the end of Ramadan and is a time for forgiveness and family gathering. Chinese New Year bring firework, dragon dance, and red decoration, symbolic good luck, while Deepavali, the Hindu festival of light, represent the victory of light over the darkness. In East Malaysia, Gawai Dayak and Kaamatan are important harvest festival that showcase the rich tradition of indigenous communities. What made this celebration unique in Malaysia is the practice of open house, where the people always visit each other's home to enjoy festival meal together regardless of religious of ethnicity. Malaysia take part in each other's celebration, demonstrating a deep sense of unity and mutual respect. This shared experience strengthens our bond and nation, remind us that our difference are something to celebrate, not divide us. Aspect number 3, a melting pot of language and dialect. Malaysia is country where multilingualism is the norm. Our official language is Bahasa Malaysia, which serves a unified medium of communication. However, English widely spoken and often used in business, education, and daily interaction. Beyond these, different communities continue to use their mother tongue, such as Mandarin, Cantonese, Hokkien, and Tamil, along with the indigenous language like Iban and Kadazan. The linguistic diversity is reflected from our multicultural identity and enhance communication among different groups. Many Malaysians grow up speak multi-language, often switching between them effortlessly. This not only strengthens cross-cultural understanding but also providing Malaysia with a unique advantage in global communities. The ability to speak different languages fosters deeper connection between people, making Malaysia a true inclusive society. Aspect number 4. The influence of multiculturalism in food. If there in one thing that unites Malaysia is our shared love of food. Our cuisine is perfect blend of various culture influence, creating unique flavor that represent our multicultural society. Nasi lemak, the nation dish, feature fragment coconut rice served with a sambal and other side dish, reflecting Malaysia culinary tradition. Char Kway Teow, a popular Chinese dish, is flavored stir fried noodle dish, while roti canai, a crispy flat bread, is staple in Indian cuisine. In addition of traditional dish, Malaysia also known for fusion food that blend different influence. Nyonya cuisine, for example, combine Chinese and Malay flavor, resulting in dish as laksa and ayam pong teh. That variety of food Malaysia is testament to how our culture have influenced each other over the years. Whether a street stall and fine dining restaurant, food is a way for Malaysia to come together regardless of race or background. The last aspect, the spirit of tolerance and unity. Malaysia's success as a multicultural country is built on the value of tolerance, respect and unity. Over the years, we have faced challenges, but our ability to embrace diversity has allowed us to grow stronger as a nation. Programs like Rukun Negara, which implies principles of unity, loyalty and mutual respect, play a crucial role in promoting harmony among Malaysia. While we come from the different background, we share a deep shared sense of belonging to this country. From the school to workplace, Malaysia interacts with the people of a different race daily, learning and understand each of the culture. The spirit of unity is what makes Malaysia special and set its part as a model for multicultural harmony. In conclusion, Malaysia multiculturalism is not just about having different races living together. It is about how we embrace and respect one another. Our diversity is reflected to our festival, language, food, and most importantly, our willing to live in peace and harmony. Despite of different, we remain united as one nation, proving that diversity is a strength, not a weakness. As a Malaysian, we must continue to protect and nurture the harmony. It is our responsibility to ensure that future generation appreciate and uphold the value of respect, understanding and unity. Let us celebrate our difference, but more importantly, let us always remember that we are stronger together as a one Malaysia. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.